It goes without saying that Bitcoin has seen its biggest year ever since it was created, when it came to existence around 2009, 2010. And right now it's somewhere close to 30,000 at the time of recording. Right now is the 2nd of January 2021. And really Bitcoin is just on the rise. It's climbing ever since the news got out that PayPal was now accepting Bitcoin as a method of payment. So basically you can now buy and use cryptocurrencies via PayPal, which is a crazy thing. This led it to gaining a lot of users. When cryptocurrencies get more adoption, that means the value actually goes up. So that is what is happening with Bitcoin, if you're wondering what's actually happening. So that gave it a good boost, and a lot of other companies also showed a lot of interest in this cryptocurrencies, and now it is just on the rise like crazy. So in this video, I just want to bring to you another video where we talk about how you can actually invest your cryptocurrencies without ever knowing how to place a trade on the market, right? So, you know, with cryptocurrencies, you actually need to analyze the market. You need to understand what is happening with the price, right? You need to know the fundamental aspect of things, and as well as the technical side of things, right? So it might sound like quite a lot for somebody who's new, but that's basically what these traders are going through every single day, right? They, you know, first things in the morning, they take a look at the fundamentals for the day or for the week, for the month, what might actually influence the price on these stocks, on these indices, as well as the cryptocurrencies, right? But a team like Mudrex developed this platform right here that you can see, whereby they're actually taking the top traders to help them develop these algorithms that will trade on your behalf. So basically it's all hands off. You just watch your money grow, like as you can see right here. This is a monthly average of 11.8% every single month from January to December 2019 that this person saw with their account just for investing via Mudrex, right? So I'm gonna be giving you a quick introduction to what it is all about, and then over the next few days I'm just be showing you exactly how it works and how you can also get started, start investing some money in the cryptocurrency, right? See it grow without you placing a trade ever. Buying and selling cryptocurrencies is just like normal trading, forex and everything. So there are different types of trading, right? So you can either buy a cryptocurrency like back in June, I think last year 2020 in June, when Bitcoin went as low as 3.5 thousand. So you could have bought one Bitcoin as 3,000, and right now you could have added that one Bitcoin that you bought for 3,000. Could have been worth at least 29,000, almost 30,000 at this time right now. So Bitcoin is just at 29,000 at the moment. So that's basically the one way that most people are doing it. So you buy the cryptocurrency at the lowest price and then you hold it. But then there's also a second part where you actually you fund an account and then you make use of leverage to grow your Bitcoin. So when you buy this, so let's say for example, you fund an account with just $10 and then you get a leverage of 1:100. So that means now you can actually, for every dollar that you have, you can actually control as much as $100 or $100,000 due to leverage. So different brokers or different exchanges will offer you different leverage depending on their terms and conditions, right? So Mudrex is taking a chance of this, is taking this opportunity to actually create these algorithms based on the top forex trading strategies. So they're basically just taking a strategy, the way these people analyze the markets, and then they're creating algorithms using AI, AI technology. So that is where the world is going right now. I mean, we can all see that shops are going automated. Everything is just going online and is going automated, right? So automation is the new thing right now, and that is why this is, I think, is something that you should take a look into. So introducing you to Mudrex right here. So the first thing that I just want to show you is if we go to this next tab over here. So right now I am on the dashboard. I just logged into my account, and as you can see, if you scroll down to the bottom right here, these are the best investments from Mudrex, so on all platforms. So these are the exchanges that are available, but we're going to go through this into the next video. So make sure that you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for all videos so that you don't miss out on the next videos. But as you can see right here, so if we take a look at this, let me just explain this at the top right here. So this is the bundle name, meaning the bot name strategy that you will have made a choice on, because there are different strategies, as you know. different people trade differently, right? So these are the different strategies that have been automated. But the second one here, this is the asset, right? So it's telling you what are you trading. So for example, here we're trading Bitcoin against the USD Tether. So this is our base crypto, which is the Bitcoin, and this is our quote currency, right? So our quote crypto in this instance. So basically just means for me to be able to buy 1 Bitcoin, I need a certain amount of USD Tether, right? So this is just how it goes. It's just the basics of forex trading or cryptocurrency trading or trading of any matter, right? These are the total returns, and then the score, meaning how good is it, what is this score actually helps us to see what is our risk towards rewards, right? How well is it, what is the score out of 10 based on its the risk management and the growth plan and all those other analytics that goes into determining the score right there. So this, as you can see, the green obviously says that it's a good performance score right there. So the next thing that we have here, we have investors. How many investors are using that strategy, and then in the last 30 days the returns and everything, and then we have the running days and monthly fee, right? So as you can see, for example, let's just use the first one right here. You can see that there is 56.12% in the last 84 days. So 84 days, if you divide that into months, that's about almost 3 months, right? So because I mean 30 days in a month, that's about 3 months. In the next 6 days, that would be make it a 3-month running phase, right? So I mean, can you imagine making 56% return on your investment automated without you doing anything? This is like totally passive income, right? This is passive income that you're making because you just invested your money in a trusted platform and it's just bringing you returns, right? So this is basically what is happening over here. And then the monthly fee block over here, this is basically, as I said, Mudrex has partnered with some of the top traders, and they are basically taking their strategies and building algorithms based on those strategies. So these people obviously they're required to be paid every month, right? So that they can keep the platforms running, and also just to advance the strategies as well, because no strategies that worked in 2000 can still work the same here today in 2021, right? So there's always something that needs to be modified. There's always something that needs to be updated, right? So this is why there is a monthly fee, but as you can see, it's really low. So it's either 10% but a minimum of $10, right? So for example, if you're gonna invest on this platform just $100, that means 1% of that is $1, right? But then it's less than $10. So the minimum is $10 for this one, which is for this strategy that is over here. But as you can see, some of them are as low as $5, like this one over here, still with a good return on investment and a good score as well. And I mean, as you can see, the number of investors that are there currently, some of them $15. So this one is a bit more expensive, but as you can see, in the last 60 days it's brought almost 100% on investment, which is crazy, right? And there are 24 people who have invested with using this strategy. So as you can see, you can just come through and take a look at what is happening, and there's a link down below, which is my affiliate link, that you can go and get started. So they'll actually give you $25 worth of credits to get started, meaning that those credits will actually take care of your fees, any fees on the platform that needs to be paid, right? So that is why I left a link down below for you to click and then register under that link so that you can get those credits and get started with this platform, right? So, and if we come to this investment part of the website, you can see that part of the platform, you can see some of other crazy returns right here. It's like this bot has been running for 267 days, and there's over 200% return on investment over there. That is a score over there. The minimum fees is just $5 over there. So as you can see, there's just a lot of good returns over there, but obviously no strategy is ever 100%. There are some that will not be as good as other strategies. So in the next upcoming videos, I'm going to be demonstrating some of the top strategies that I'll be sharing with you and explaining how they work and everything. So make sure that you hit that subscribe button and get started, and so that you'll be notified when the new videos come out. But basically, thank you for watching this video. This was just a quick introduction into this platform. If you got any questions about it that you want me to talk about, you can just leave a comment down below, or you can also join our Telegram group with the link down below, Online Money Simplified, and then I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, thank you for watching this video, and I'll be seeing you on the next one. Peace.